Muttonbird's Island. We're going up there. Come and join us. What time? Masiradaan man ka tadi ha. We're gonna walk there. There. Toward that people there. Oh, up. Wow. Is it cold? Look at me. Look at here. Where are you going? We don't have water. So this is the reserve for the birds. If I stand up here, that's the view. Migi ka naglakaw. Wow. Angat pa mi. Tapos siya angaton mga 5 minutes. More 5 minutes. Huh? Ah, underneath? Their nest is underneath. No, ng mga buho-buho. That holes where their babies are. Look at that. Yeah, that's their nest. Yeah, that holes. Oh yeah. Butangan pa nilang timailahan oh. They have marks. That's theirs. Wow. We'll walk to heaven. Make sure you're going to heaven. Not in purgatory. Oy. Dude. Make sure you walk to heaven the right way, not in purgatory, okay? Oh, look at that. What's that island there? Another one, oh. They have that nest there.
Is a nest bird in there?
Yeah, there. Oh.
You can see it in there, the bird.
No. They're not there. They just come there at night when they're ready to poop. We arrive here. It's raining. It's cold. It's like this still on the winter season. Well, don't know what brings tomorrow. Oh, it is still walking right through there.
Yeah, but not much up there.
Okay. Hangak. I should bring the water. George, same as what we did into the other place.
They are in the holes.
Come on, turn around first. That's our view.
It's our view. Looking down from Muttonbird Island.
Oh, diba? It's so nice. Wow. And that's their nest. That's how the
Airport's over there. See the tower. See the tower of the airport? The white one's got the flashing light on top.
yeah.
That's
Look
the
at that.
tower.
They have lots of rain
Here it is.
coming. Oh. That's all the beach.
Your town's in here.
What?
Philippines.
Is it? Wow, rockery calendar.
Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, that's where they go.
These birds?
Yeah.
Hello.
But I hope they don't go to Philippines too often, otherwise they'll be their food.
Yeah, it'll be sinugba. They will be sinugba if they go in Philippines. There, oh. So they migrate into that migrate route. These birds. Wow, so they migrate from Australia to Indonesia, Philippines, and Japan. Wow. Hoy, ayaw ninyo pagkan-aning kuan din niya, dinamuan hada sa Pilipinas ha. Look all that holes. Look all that holes there. Lights. That don't have lights in there. Naigagmay dito nga islands. No, don't have lights there. Just like their what you call that marking. That's the numbers. Feeder. Oh, di ba? Nindot kayo ako agad. Ah, wow! Wow, wow, wow! If tomorrow don't die. There's a boat there, look. Look, there's a boat there. Oh. There. Look at me. Look at me, ah. Look what I'm doing. Look! What a child! Hi, George! Hi! Ah, lipong! Oh no, we're at the end of the mountain.
End of the world.
End of the world. Look at this. No more road. Oh,
Nowhere.
oh no. Oh, another one there. Another person. So that guy waiting to his journey. Is he gonna go to hell or heaven?
Oh no.
But before he go, he have to do a selfie. Look at that. You have to do a selfie first. Wow. Oh look! Right down. Bird, look! There, oh, the baby bird there. Huh? Oh, that's not that one. George, other side. We keep going down, down, down. He's going for fishing. George, are they go for fishing? Boat race madahan. And this is going down in the other side. May the gate will close soon. We can't get out. Wow. Just until here. Just until here. It's getting cool. They go for fishing.
No, boat race. Race.
Race, just two of them?
Different category, different size.
Oh, nag-racing daw na. Oh. Di ko mo to, oh. Managat yun na, George. Ah. Uy, uy, careful. Oh, mawadaan ko driver ni mo. Ah. Nice doing. Ay, what you call the accident? We're going down now. Look at that area there. Oh. We're on the other side. It's so cold. Na ay nagkuan dito. Nag-racing daw na. Wow! Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! This is Australia. Nahala kanindot, oh! Wow! May until November? What?
Humpback, whale.
Oh, yeah. Wow. But no one's do surfing in here, is it?
No, no, no.
So lucky who's living into that island. They have more rain coming, are they? Hello! We're here!
The job is to walk back.
Walk back!
Like it's rain soon. It will be wet muttonbirds.
With Muttonbirds. With Muttonbirds imong resulta og mapasa ka dito. Balik ka dito magulan uman ba? Karon nakakita namin ani katapusan. Dito sila oh, nagpicture. We're going back because the rain's coming. See that bird there? Looking for his house. Ah, there, that boat, or that you said there.
Yeah, they're icing me back. Look in there.
Into that bridge. We've been walking to that. Also,
Yep.
see that front one.
Yep, look up there.
Yeah. There, the marina.